So these are interesting questions that are here. I just want us to revise through them. This is mathematics. Matrices, this one where you are told to express as a single fraction and an equation there. Let us now answer these questions. Given that A is equal to this particular matrix, B is equal to that matrix. Question A or 1, we are taught to say find the determinant of A. We want to find the determinant of A. How then do we find the determinant? So I'll write here, I guess you are able to see. How then do we find the determinant? For you to find the determinant, first of all, you need to understand the particular formula that gets to be used. Determinant is equal to, you say product of the measure, so product of the measure minus product of the minor diagonal. Product of the what? Minor. So this one that is here, the formula here, this is minor. So this is a particular formula that you get to use. In other words, you need to know the major diagonal and the minor diagonal. So we are talking about the determinant of what? The determinant of A, which is equal to. So what is in the major diagonal? In the major diagonal, this is it. That is the major diagonal. The 5 and the 2. So 2 and 5 are in the major diagonal. So we say 5 multiplied by 2. Then add to say minus there. So always you say minus, minor diagonal. Which one is in the minor diagonal? Minor diagonal, that one. So we've got what? Negative 1 and 3. So we multiply negative 1 multiplied by what? 3. This is what we are going to do. Where we get to say this is equal to what? This is equal to, this is 10, isn't it? 10, 5 times 2 is 10. So negative 1 times 3, you are going to get negative 3. That negative 3 multiplies by this negative outside. So let me do this. I know maybe some people may not get the concept. Negative 1 times 3, that is negative 3. You are going to have something like this. So negative times negative, it is positive. So 10 plus 3. What is the answer there? The answer there is 13. Meaning that that one is our determinant. So the determinant is what? 13 is our determinant. We now move on to the next question here, where we are taught to find the inverse of A. How can we find the inverse of A? For us to find the inverse of A, you need to understand that we get to say A inverse is given by which particular formula? We say 1 over the determinant of A, then you get the matrix that is there. That is 2, negative 1, 3, and 5 there. That is a particular matrix. So we say A inverse, we demonstrate or denote an inverse by putting power negative 1 there. So 1 over, what is the determinant in that case? What is our determinant? 13. I'll just put my 13 there. Then I say this. Then you need to understand that in the major diagonal, positions are going to do what? Positions are going to swap. The 5 goes on top, the 2 comes down. Then in the minor diagonal, this is the minor diagonal. What will happen in the minor diagonal? Signs are going to change. This is negative 1, it becomes positive 1. This is positive 3, it becomes negative 3. You are also looking at the marks. This is just one mark. You can end here. I gave this question to the people under my online lessons yesterday. So some people were even multiplying this with everything in the brackets there. So if you want, you can end here. But where you get to proceed now, you say O, where you say A inverse now is equal to. You get to multiply with what is inside. So 1 times 5, this is 5 over 13. So this is how it must be. 1 times negative 3 over 13. 1 times 1, this is 1 over 13. 1 times 2, that is 2 over 13. So this is the answer. Have you seen two answers? So if you want, you can end where? Here. Or if you want, you can end here. So this one or that one. This is what you need to do. And you need to be more sensitive to this. You end up making simple mistakes that may affect you. So this is how it must be, and this is how you must work out these particular questions. We proceed now to this question that is telling us to say the value of AB. So AB, we are multiplying AB. So what is our A in this case? That is 2, -1. We've got 3 and 5, which is being multiplied by B. Where is B? We've got 2 and 3. So when we are multiplying the two matrices, first of all, you need to understand that we get to multiply. This is the row multiplied by that particular column that is there. So meaning that these 2 will be multiplied with that 2. 3 and that's 3. We are on top. So even here we write on top. 2 times 2, it is 4. You say plus. 3 times 3, that is 9. You write there. Are we having any column there? No. So I go down there where I'm having this one. So this will be multiplied with that. I'm down, so I go down. -1 times 2. That is negative what? -2. Plus 5 times 3. That is 15. So I do. This is now equal to. Finally, what is the answer there? There you get to find 13. Even here, different sign, subtract. Maintain the sign of a bigger number. 15 minus 2, that is 13, positive 15. So meaning that this is 13. Get the sign of a bigger number. You are done. This is how you are supposed to work out that. So we are done with that particular question. We now proceed. We go to this question that is here. Express as a single fraction. So straight away, before I answer that one, let me answer this one quickly. So here you group the like terms first. So that is 4b. This is positive. When it comes this side, it becomes negative, which is we've got less than. That is a 4 plus. This one is negative. So when it goes this side, it becomes positive. So this is -2. 4 minus 6, -2. B follows less than 7. You divide both sides by -2 by -2. Since we are dividing by a negative, this inequality will change. So it is going to be B greater than -7 over 2. So that is the what? That is the answer. That is how you are supposed to answer it. Now to this one, you just need to say, this is what you need to say. You just need to say over, you drop those two together down. You say like this, -1, then we've got x minus 1. I guess you are enjoying this, and if you are enjoying, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this particular video. And if you are looking for tuitions, not only in mathematics, I get to do different subjects, you can WhatsApp me on this particular number. I gave this exercise to people under my online lessons. I marked them and they are able to revise through. I guess you are able to see the answer. So if you want to be part of my WhatsApp group, you can WhatsApp me on this particular number. I'm going to help you get a distinction. Here, this 4 will go with that one. So this is the 4 going with this one that is on the denominator on the opposite side. So that is x minus 1. Then -3 gets to be multiplied by 2x minus 1, like that. We continue. 4 times x, that is 4x. 4 times 1, that is 4. -3 times 2x, that is 6x. Plus negative is positive, then a 3. The denominator gets to follow over what? Over. So you can continue this. I know you are able to answer it. So you can continue this. This is equal to, I say equal to. So this is equal to what? Here, 4 times 6. 4 minus 6, that is -2 I put x. Then negative 4 plus 3, that is negative 1. Then I just put the denominator there, which is what? 2x minus 1, like this, x minus 1. If you want, you can end here. There is no problem. Have you seen? You can end here. I know some people were able to factorize, do some good stuff, but let's just end here. I know we differ in understanding, so it's better we just end here where we are all able to understand. This is where I end from. So if you are looking for tuitions, this is the number. I help you. It is only 100 kwacha per subject, Zambian kwacha. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to share this video, like, comment. Let us invite more people to this channel or page. Thank you.